Yes, welcome to our uh, coconut forest. It's also an indigenous coconut ecosystem that now we are mixing different crops. We have the snake plants, we have the aloe vera, we have the red jatropha there. Yeah, we have also adding some pawpaws, and we have the moringa trees. So this is a system which is now about 6 months old, and all the coconuts have taken shape and they're coming up well grounded, and we surround them with aloe vera. Aloe vera is a growth media which also helps in as a ground cover, and it is very healthy for plants when it is planted around the plant, so it will cover the ground and the coconuts will not feel a lot of heat. So as you can see, we have 3 of these systems, and we also have vetiver grass around to help to make the soil, and we have the trenches there. Yeah, you have the trenches there to capture water, and the vetiver grass to help to prevent soil erosion. At the same time, we have the Mombasa grass, which is also helping to in the soil and nutrient conservation. And you also have mulberries integrated within the system. And we have several types of these systems. This is the 3 systems. We have another small system here. We have another small system here with 3 coconuts. Yeah, small ecosystem here with 3 coconuts, and we have a giant red jatropha here, which is also highly medicinal. It's a highly medicinal plant. From here you can see the entire ecosystem. At the same time, we have some bamboos. You have a giant bamboo there at the corner. Then you have a small bamboo here, and around we have the lucina trees. Yeah, and the bamboo. So the bamboo will be dropping the leaves and act as it will be acting as a natural mulch in the system. Yeah, so we also have some giant coconut trees around, yeah, which have been fruiting for the last 10 years. This is 21 years old. And we also have another system here with the big coconut trees and some palm trees and the Indian ashok. So we also have a new system here. We've also put some pawpaws on the edges. See the pawpaws, and cactus also. There's a dumping site at the bottom there. This is our system here. Yeah, we have an edge of snake plants, and also we just introduce some lemongrass here, also just to ensure that when water against the runoff, so that when water is flowing, it does not take the nutrients from the system. Yeah, and it helps in the soil and nutrient and water retention. Yeah, we also have some insect repellent here. So this is our system. You can see the young coconuts are coming up very well, and the big one is there also. coming up very well. And we have another one here. This is a small system with cactus and aloe vera. Yeah, we want to introduce some red jatropha here, some pineapples there. Yeah, these are 3 coconuts, and it's also made beside the geese house. Oh, we have a flower garden here, and besides we also have an upcoming coconut, some palms, and we really generate a lot of plants here. And beside there we have our water system, capturing system, which is we are living 100% off grid. Yeah, and we also have this cactus, different species. Yeah, the system. This is very thorny. I think the most thorniest cactus in the world that I've ever seen. Yeah, and this is a new coconut, so it was just planted. And the edge is coming up. That one is highly fruiting, heavily fruiting. You can see that one, it's about 21 years old. And this one, it's almost the same with edge with others, but it's growing slowly, so it's coming up. And we have a wheelbarrow nursery. We have a wheelbarrow nursery here, yeah, where we regenerate a lot of plants from the wheelbarrow, which has been rehabilitated. And we have the most productive coconut tree here. You can see the fruits, heavily productive. This one we have been harvesting for the last 10 years. And there are some also behind the other side. Yeah. So we hope that we're going to make a highly productive indigenous coconut forest and ecosystem or food forest. Thank you so much.